Importing assets, like images and PDF documents, can be done in a variety of different ways, but they all start by importing a file that references the image to the product. Importing assets can be part of a master data import, including all of the product data and asset data together in one file. Or, the assets can be imported using a separate file that contains the unique product IDs, followed by the attributes that contain a corresponding asset reference for each product. There are two options for referencing assets to products in an import file. The first option is to have an attribute that references the images or assets as publicly accessible URLs. In this case, PDX will go and fetch the asset and import it into the digital assets section of the platform. The second option is for the supplier to provide a reference to the asset file location on their own computer. This import will load the assets from the supplier's computer directly into the digital assets section of PDX. With either method, the supplier will end up with the assets in the digital assets section of PDX that are associated with a specific product. These assets can then be mapped, like other attributes, and delivered by PDX.